Hello everyone, and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. So in today's video, I'm just going to cut to the chase. We're going to be unboxing the iPod Pros, the second generation. That took me forever to say, so sorry about that. But so yeah, we're just gonna get into it. A little bit about me. My name is Isabel. I love doing unboxing videos. I love just, you know, watching those. So I was like, why not do it myself? So there'll be a couple more of those. I am going to Arizona State in the fall, so there'll be a lot of videos about that, me moving across the country. That's gonna be fun too. So yeah, and then I also am gonna be an unmanned aircraft degree, and I'm also gonna be doing some aviation, like getting my professional pilot's license on the side and the other licenses. So if you are interested in that, please consider subscribing. You don't have to. I'm just doing this for fun and, you know, just remembering. But, you know, I would love to hear what you guys want for me to do on this channel. So without further ado, let's get on to the unboxing. All right, everyone, so my face is not going to be in this, but, you know, I'm just gonna give the glory to this because it deserves the glory. So yeah, I just literally got this today, so don't mind rush in with my clothes that I have on. So yeah, let's get into it. I think I need a knife. Yeah, I think I need a knife. Hold on, do I need a knife? These are questions I must get answers to. Also have to check that everything's in frame. Okay. Alrighty. Jeez Louise. Okay. Alright, we got her. Okay, my apples, no knife required. You know. Oh my gosh, am I like the worst? Hello? Okay, we're good. We're good. So yeah, there she is, a little sneak peek. Jeez Louise, they really want it in there. Okay. Hello? Okay. I'm gonna have to cut some of this. I don't think it's supposed to be this hard. Like, what am I doing wrong? Okay. Hold on a second. What? Do I have to look up a video how to open this? Hold on. We're getting a knife. 1 second. All right, we got the knife. So, let's see. I'm trying to give y'all a good angle, but I think that me doing this actual unboxing is not the best angle. Oh, I'm dumb. Oh my gosh, so sorry. Okay. 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 You know what? Okay. Hello. Do you want to be seen? Is that it? You don't want to be seen? Oh, okay. Hold on, I'm looking at the side. This side now. Okay. We got her. She is right there. Jeez Louise, it took forever. Okay. This is very interesting of a box. Alrighty. And like that. Okay. That looks great. Cute. Make sure everything's framed. Stab at the plastic. If you judge my knife skills, sorry, they are bad. I understand. You can go ahead and judge. Alright, so these are them in the box. So super cute, you know, Apple logo. That's backwards, my bad. All right, then we got the information on the back if you want to look at her. You know, AirPod Pro 2nd generation with MagSafe charging case. Yeah, so, and then a little surprise, I got a little engraving on it, so you are interested in looking at that. So without further ado, let's get the satisfyingness. Oh, beautiful, magnificent, beautiful. All right. Oh my gosh, it smells good. Okay, I don't know what it is, but I'm obsessed with the smell of apple. Apple, if you would love to sponsor me, that's fine too. All right, we got the apple little thing, and ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'll tell probably in the future what Jimmy May means, but yeah, that is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Okay, so yes, so we got the, of course, apple stuff, you know, papers. Got your papers. Know some instructions. And am I dumb to be thinking that there would be some stickers? Or am I dumb? I'm probably really dumb, but you know, I'll get better at these. Don't you worry. Okay. So the papers are in there. Probably won't read them, sorry. Yeah. Oh, so cute. So cute. They got a little bit of weight to it. To be honest, I've touched them before. That's weird to say. Anyways, yeah. Okay. Yes, I'm getting all my fingerprints on it. I'm a bitty girl. Okay. So, my goodness. You can't see my face, but I can see it. It's so amazing. Hello, I'm your mother. Oh my gosh. Wow. All right. Let me flip the camera and I'll be right back, y'all. Oh, that sound. I love it. Okay. Hold up. I am so sorry. We forgot the rest of the box because I just got really excited. So, in here, this pops up. Okay, I already messed it up. This pops up. And then, wada bang, wada boom. You get some exercises. I will figure out which one's mine and I will let y'all know. Maybe. Okay. Then we have the MagSafe charger. So, pop that girl out of there. Super cute. I don't know what it is. It is so satisfying about Apple. Their packaging, top tier by far. Nobody can compare. And then, MagSafe charger. Or maybe I'm just being dumb. With MagSafe charging case. Sorry, so sorry to all of you. This is a MagSafe charging case. Okay, I do have the charging, like, you know, case, but, you know. All right. There we go. Super cute. Showing y'all. Look at me being a beauty girl. Okay, so now we're going to connect to the phone, and we'll be right back. All right, so I'm screen recording on my phone, you know, just to show y'all what it is to pair them. If you have seen any of the Apple, you know, startups on their AirPods, you know the drill, but I just like showing it because why not? So we are going to, of course I had to look up how to screen record because I am dumb. So we're just gonna hover, you know, the AirPods next to my phone, press connect. Super cute. The sounds, I love them. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. Media control. So let's see. What am I? Okay. Yes, I'll skip that. I'll figure it out later. Customize. Why not? Okay. And now it's give me all of them. Give me all of them, please. That sounds ASU. Why not? My campus. I may have to blur out a couple of these. I don't know. sounds about right. Okay. I'm confused. Okay, hold on a second. Let me put them in the ear. Like, oh, okay. There's stuff going on in my ear. Hold on a second. We're gonna. Just kidding. Okay. Hold on. Let me see what it feels like. Whoa. Oh my gosh. I can't even hear anything. I'm probably so. I can look at my thing. I'm so loud. Okay. Let's get started. Take AirPods out of ears to continue. Oh, let's see. My bad. Whoa, the air around. Okay, there's so many wax on my ear. There's so much wax on my ears. Okay. What am I supposed to be doing? Personalize your face to the camera frame. Hello? 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 Okay, what am I supposed to be doing? Oh, it looks so dumb. Okay. All right. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, I need help. I need help. Thank you. Sorry. All right. Okay. Hello? So dumb. All right, right ear's captured. Good to know. All right, capture the left ear. Why am I dumb? Left ear's captured. Good. Sorry if I keep looking in the viewfinder. Sorry, it's gonna be a habit for a bit. Okay. Cute. Woo. It's happening. All right, continue. Special offer, 6 months of free. No, sorry. You'll know in a minute. Alrighty. Are y'all ready? Wow. This is cool. Wow, that's cool. That's probably really annoying to hear. All right, let's listen to some music. Why not? Why not? Okay. This is my jam. Hey everyone, so I forgot to make an outro for this video, so I'm editing her right now. Look at her, she's beautiful. So thank you guys for watching so much. I'm truly grateful. This is my first ever video, so you know, cut me a little bit of slack. I'm trying, you know, and there'll be a whole lot more in the future. I'm going to be doing really soon a lot of dorm and aviation vlogs and just everything to do with college vlogs, a lot of stuff to do with ASU because that's where I'm going. So a lot of informational videos about that so I can help future people or, you know, that are going there to learn a little bit more about the college because I loved watching those videos while I was researching. And also how I figured out how I was going to that school because you're probably like, Isabel, why are you going there? So yeah, I live in Georgia, so that's why. So yeah, but I will explain that more in the future, but I'm truly grateful for you watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you would like to. If you don't, if you would like to dislike, I totally understand. I would dislike my video too. But so yeah, if I can say thank you as many times as I can, I would. Have a great rest of your day. See you guys later.